Today we are hitting historic Old San Juan to feast on some delicious mofongo. Then we're going to hit the streets of Old San Juan to seek out stuff a little more exotic, like rice with blood sausage. Well, everyone, we're about to have lunch today in Old San Juan at Raíces. It's a very popular place for the locals, which is what attracted us to it. We're gonna have authentic Puerto Rican food, so come on in, let's do it. If you're new here, we're glad to have you. If you're a subscriber, thank you for supporting the channel, and it's great to have you join us today. If you like what you see, hit that like button, hit the subscribe, nail that notification bell so you get notified as soon as we upload new content. Our first dish came out, but first I want to introduce the beer. Yet another Puerto Rican beer, locally brewed, called Ocean. It's an IPA. I wanted to try an IPA in Puerto Rico, and so I shall. Wow, it's a strong IPA. Deliciosa. Our first little appetizer, Fernando, our waiter, assures us everything here is Puerto Rican. Take a look, it looks like a mozzarella stick so far. Still steaming. Well, it's not like a mozzarella stick. It is cheese filled. It's a cheese croquette. Now I will try it with some of the salsa. Not spicy, tangy. Very good as an appetizer, especially with this IPA. I'm a happy man already. This is a mofongo, which is very, very Puerto Rican, very popular in this country, with marisco, different shellfish, octopus. I'm anxious to try this. It's like seafood stew. Let's dig down to get some of the bottom layers in here. And you can see mofongo is basically a mashed up plantain. Bifongo, B-I-2, is yellow plantain with the green plantain. And trifongo are the two plantains and juca. So there's different variations of mofongo. And this one with the seafood, it's not sweet, just a hint of the plantains that they mash down, they season with salt and pepper, little garlic. It's actually a simple combination that's very effective.
Ooh, that's good.
This one is the fried pork. It's easier to see the plantain because there's not much of the sauce like the marisco the seafood had. Chunks of fried pork. I like it. That is delicious. Well, that was a delicious mofongo experience that we had here at La Raíces. Now we're going to go strolling through Old San Juan, see what trouble we can get into. Come along with us. Walking the streets of Old San Juan, checking out the scene. Here, kitty kitty. And this is also the bobblehead capital of the world, apparently. I even made it a point to go to church. Hello everybody, we are in San Juan at La Placita de Santurce. That's this section of the city. Different shops, fruit stands, meat stands, bars. And this restaurant is called, as you can see, Chicharrón. So we're gonna stop in here and see what we can dig up for Puerto Rican cuisine. That's gonna be our dinner today, so come on in and join us. We've got some rum and cokes, in my case, rum and diet coke, so as not to get chubbier than I already am. And this rum, Bacardi, is huge here in Puerto Rico. This is Barrito. It's a local rum, just to try a different rum than Bacardi. So I'm gonna give it a shot. Definitely a different flavor. I don't know how I would describe it actually. Just different than Bacardi. I actually like it better because it's such a unique type of rum flavor. It's definitely a stronger flavor. I don't mean the strength of how much alcohol is in it. I like that a lot. Wow. The first dish they brought us are called doraditos. It's breaded and fried mahi-mahi. And it's actually nice, juicy, succulent pieces of mahi-mahi fish in there. Let's see. It's like a butter sauce. The next dish we'll talk about is chicken chicharrón, and this rice is actually rice with blood sausage mixed in with it, morcilla, and I'm dying to try this actually. High salt, I gotta say, it's more salty than I thought it would be, and less of the actual blood sausage than I thought, but not bad. Well, it's really just chicken nuggets. If you can imagine a good quality chicken nugget, not a processed meat chicken nugget where they grind up the chicken and God knows what else. This is actually, as you can see, real pieces of chicken, breaded and fried. This is actually shredded crab meat with a spicy salsa or sauce on top, and it's sitting on top of a tostón. Tostones are plantains that they actually have this little 2 wooden boards on a hinge, and they put that plantain on there and squish it and then fry it. So let's see what this is all about. I like the crunchy of the tostones with the crab consistency. It's got a little hint of spice, not very picante, not very hot, very tasty though. Ow, you're burning my retinas. Well, we just stuffed our faces yet again today. We had some more authentic Puerto Rican food with the Puerto Rican flair. As always, everything tasted delicious. We had a great time here. The staff was very friendly. Join us as we continue on our Puerto Rican tour. We post every Friday, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you like what you see, like, subscribe, share, and until next time, hasta lasagna.